Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, power lift gate. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.